The objective of the card game Oh Hell is to earn points by taking the exact number of tricks per round that you initially guessed you would. The game is best played with 4 to 6 players. To begin each hand, an equal number of cards is dealt to each player. You should not deal out all the cards, since you need a few remaining cards each round. For a 4-player game, you could start with 12 cards per person, while for a 6-player game, you could start with 8 per person. The top card from the remaining deck is flipped over, with the suit of the card becoming the trump suit. After studying their cards, each player says the number of tricks they believe they'll win that round. Write down each person's bet for reference. Then the player to the left of the dealer plays a card, which will be the leading suit. Play proceeds around the circle, with all subsequent players following suit, meaning they play a card of the same suit, hearts, diamonds, clubs, or spades, as the person who led the round. To take a trick, you must play the highest value card of the round. Aces are worth the most and 2s the least. If a player does not have any cards of the suit that led, they can play a card of a different suit. Cards of the trump suit automatically beat cards of any other suit. For example, if the first card played in a round was a 10 of hearts, each subsequent player must play a heart. If a player does not have hearts in their hand, they may play a card of any suit. You cannot win the trick if you play a different suit from the one that led, unless you play a card of the trump suit. If the trump suit is clubs, a club will be beat any hearts played in the round, regardless of their value. If more than one person plays a club, the player with the highest club wins the trick. The player who wins the trick leads the next trick. The round ends when players have no more cards in their hand. Players are awarded 1 point for each trick they win during a round, plus 10 points if they won exactly the number of tricks they bid. The person to the left of the dealer becomes the new dealer for the next round, deals the cards, and flips up the top card from the remaining deck to choose the new trump suit. Each successive round is played with 1 card less per hand than the previous round. The final round is played with 1 card. After the last round, the player with the most cumulative points wins.